So this is the training group, and I've dropped the link. The link will take you to your browser, where you will now follow the steps. Because if you see, observe as I'm clicking on the screen, you see where I'm clicking. So just follow the step based on where I'm clicking. Are you hearing me? I'm just showing you an example. Follow every step to sign up and get started. It's still loading. Look at my clicks, they are reflecting. So you just observe where I click and follow them step by step. It's showing it's slow due to bad network. It's still loading the website. Now scroll down, click on start earning. If you are not there, I'll show you where you can also click. If you are not on the home page, I'll show you where you can also click. When you click on this navigation bar, tap top right left corner. Top right corner, as you can see, it has opened. So you can click there and then you click on sign up from the option list that just came down. If you are on a PC, the navigation bar will appear full on the screen. Click on create an account. If something like this appears on your screen, click on, you can observe my click, that red X symbol. And if you are on some browser, it might not be red, but just click on that X symbol close to this place I'm clicking. So I'm clicking on it now. It will disappear. So anytime it appears, just click on that cancel symbol to cancel it. Here you put your email for the account. Here you put your phone number. This place they say your first name, no white space. Don't add a space before the name or after the name. So just input your name. This one is your last name. Input your name. You can see that on tapping from the option in my cursor, you can see that the white space was added. Just remove the white space. Here they said your username. Input your username. Username are case sensitive. If you make your own capital letter, anywhere capital letter, then anytime you are logging in, you must use this capital. This option is your gender. I'm choosing male. Now select I have agreed, I have read and agreed. You can see there I'm clicking. If you don't select that, if you leave it empty and you click on sign up, you will see this error message. Let me cancel the error message. So make sure you click on it and then you click on sign up. Clicking on sign up, it will load. At this junction, an email has been sent to me to verify. Look at the on the screen. You can hear that alert. My phone, the email has come. My balance is still zero. You can see it there. a verification link was sent to your email, check your email inbox or spam folder and click on the link. If you have inputted the wrong email before, then you can input a new email here, and then you click on, let me close this, and then you can input the right email, and then you click on resend. You understand? They say change email optional. That means if you want to change this email, if the email you inputted was wrong, or you are not receiving the OTP and you are not sure about your email, just re-input the email and click on this resend link. So let me go to my mailbox, look at it. So I'll open the email. You can see the email. My username, look at it. They said my username, your username is Alexander. So click here to verify. So click on this green text, click there, and it will open to verify. And if you observe, it's opening in a browser embedded into your Gmail. If it takes you to the main browser too, no problem. But currently now I'm opening on an inbuilt browser. So I'm asked to input my username or my email. The email linked to your account is what you are going to input here. And my email is Alex Anok. Then you set your password. You just set a password, so a basic password, new. Sorry, I'm clicking here. Close this dialog anytime it comes up. Let me set my password again. Yes. It must be 8 characters in length. Your password must be 8 letters. 8. And I have to confirm the password now. Then you click here to close this one. And click on save. You can see your password must be 8 in length. So you can see the error. If your password is not 8 characters or more, it won't go through. So let's input 8 characters now. The two passwords was matched. Then click on save. It's going through now. Your password has been saved. Now I'll not advise you to continue here. Then go back. Your password has been saved. You have been logged in. Go back to your Chrome browser where you were signing up before. You can see what they are saying here. If you have verified your email address and set the new password, then click here to refresh the page and your dashboard will open. Let's see. I've clicked here and the page is reloading. And we are in. The next tutorial I'll be teaching you is how to do some tasks. So stick along, subscribe to the channel, click on allow so that you'll be receiving updates on every method of making money. Okay, just click on allow and then continue. So this is it for this. Anytime I complete a task now, I'm getting 14 naira. I will show you how to do these tasks. Thanks for watching. subscribe and like. Always click here to click this. Anytime that thing pops up, just observe everywhere I'm clicking on the screen, because I am sure they are reflecting. So just observe the places I'm clicking. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share to your loved ones so that they can also make money online.